Ever notice how 5 minutes of TikTok turns into an hour? Or how checking one notification somehow leads to doom scrolling your entire feed? That's not random, it's dopamine hacking your brain. And tech companies? They know exactly how to keep you hooked. Dopamine is your brain's reward chemical. It makes you feel good when you achieve something like finishing a workout or acing a test. But here's the catch. Your brain doesn't care if you earned it or just scrolled into a funny cat video. It rewards both. And the internet? It serves up dopamine hits on demand, no effort required. That's why your attention span is shrinking. Why you can't sit through a book anymore. Why real life feels kinda boring. You're not lazy. Your brain's just addicted to easy rewards. Think back to when you were a kid. Boredom? That was a thing. You had to get creative, build stuff, read, go outside. Now, the second boredom creeps in, your phone's already in your hand. Big tech engineered this. Infinite scroll? Autoplay? Notifications? These aren't accidents. Every second you spend on their platform equals more money for them. They gamified your brain, training it to crave constant stimulation, just like a slot machine. The result? Your brain rewired itself. Focus got harder. Real-world rewards started feeling slow. And suddenly, anything that takes effort, learning a skill, hitting the gym, even having a deep conversation feels exhausting. Here's the problem. When your brain gets dopamine too easily, it stops valuing the hard-earned stuff. Think about it. Video games make you feel accomplished without real-world effort. Social media gives you validation without deep relationships. Porn tricks your brain into feeling intimacy without connection. It's like eating candy instead of real food. Feels great at first, but long-term, you're starving yourself of actual fulfillment. And the worst part? The more you consume, the more numb you get. One episode turns into an entire season. One YouTube video becomes a 4-hour rabbit hole. And suddenly, you're not even enjoying it anymore, you're just chasing the next hit. Here's the good news, you're not broken. Your brain just needs a reboot. And no, you don't have to move to a cabin in the woods. Step 1, reduce passive dopamine hits. Delete social media off your phone, or at least turn off notifications. Set app limits. Not mentally, actually use a blocker. Your willpower isn't strong enough. No phone first thing in the morning. Give your brain a chance to wake up before bombarding it with junk. Step 2, retrain your brain to enjoy effort. Pick something challenging but rewarding, learning an instrument, lifting weights, writing. Make it slightly uncomfortable at first. That's your brain detoxing. Track progress. Your brain loves seeing improvement, it's natural dopamine, the good kind. Step 3, make boredom your friend. Next time you feel the urge to scroll, sit with it. Let the boredom hit. Boredom equals creativity. Your best ideas come when your brain isn't overstimulated. Walking, journaling, even staring at the ceiling, it's all better than mindless scrolling. If you really want to take back control, try this. For the next 30 days, cut out cheap dopamine as much as possible. No TikTok, no Instagram, no autoplay YouTube. Instead, fill that time with real activities, reading, learning, exercising, building something. At first, it'll suck. You'll be bored out of your mind. But then, something shifts. You'll start enjoying books again. Focus will return. Conversations will feel deeper. And most importantly, you'll remember what real satisfaction feels like. Dopamine isn't the enemy. The problem is how you're getting it. Make it work for you, not against you. Now, put your phone down and go do something real. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. You've got this.